What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Mr. G.D.I.Y. back with another video. So today we on day 2, man. On day 2 of prepping the rear end for the shop. So I'm gonna show y'all what I got going on right now. Today we're gonna pretty much pressure wash it and try to see what I can do to it, man. Pressure wash it. I'm gonna clean it up, probably paint it and stuff like that, because I want it to look like a little something once they get done rebuilding it. Because I know once they do it, I know they only just gonna do the inside. They ain't doing all that painting and all that. So I don't think so, but I'm gonna do it myself. So, cause I don't want nobody, you know what I'm saying? I don't want them to try to charge me anything extra, man. Just do what you gotta do. So this is what we got, man. 7.5, 373. You know what I'm saying? It's an old guy, been up under there, but I'm gonna go ahead and pressure wash it, clean it up, and get it together, man. So y'all just hold tight. Alright, so this is what we got right now. Been working with it, spraying it, trying to clean it, knocking it off. And it's not 100% super clean, but it's enough where I can scrape it a little bit and get some stuff on it, get some rust protectant and all that on it. I'm gonna tell y'all this right here. In the G.D.I.Y game, we do what's best for us, man. It ain't gonna always be perfect, you know what I'm saying? It's all about riding your own stuff, building your own stuff, riding your own stuff. So some of this shit ain't gonna be perfect, man, but it's gonna be real good. It's gonna be good enough for me to ride. This is up under the car, so we're not gonna even worry about it being perfect, but it's gonna be protected and it's gonna be good enough for us to do what we gotta do. But like I said, I'm just prepping this so it can go to the shop. And I want it to look nice when they go there, so when they put the new stuff in, I ain't gotta worry about doing too much painting on it. But yeah. Alright, YouTube, we back. It's later on during the day. Took some time off, whatever. Sunday, I just be tired sometimes. You don't be want to do all this, but anyway, we back, man. I'm about to start. This is what I have so far. I got my stuff set up. They go to rear end, everything dry. I got my stuff mixed up, and I'm gonna start painting on it. So let's get it. Alright gang, so we back with finished product, man. I'm finna let y'all see it. Here we go. This is the finished product. Check it out, check it out. You know what I mean? It's all protected. You know, got some little spots here and there. I avoided some spots. And I'll tell you why. They say, oh, why you left this like that? You got it all rested, you ain't do this. The reason why I didn't do this one is because I'm waiting till after they go in there and do everything they need to do. And when I get it back, I go on and paint that up and do everything I need to do to it. So yeah. But yeah, this the end of it. That's the end of it. That's the finished product. That's how we rocking. So yeah.
Hey, today it's actually late at night. It's probably, I don't even know, I'm kind of tired. It's about probably like 11 o'clock. I just wanted to get you guys another video, an update on what's going on, what's my situation with the rear end and stuff like that, right? So with that being said, give y'all a little snippet of what's going on. All right, here we go, hold on. All right, so as you guys know, I was taking it to the rear end out. The rear end is gone. So I was down here working on getting upper and lower control arms out. They gave me hell. So the upper and lower control arms are finally out, man. They gave me hell, but they out. So we got them out. And as you guys can see, I have rust up here. I got some rust up here, and all that kind of stuff. So I'm gonna prep all this, put rust repair on here, all there, put rust repair all up on here, you know what I'm saying, and try to put everything back together when I can. I'm giving y'all this video in pieces, man, because I actually have to do it when I have time. So that's what I got going on. I have to give it to you guys when I got time to do it, because I work a lot. So, but I got stuff done. We still, you know, G.D.I.Y gang for sure, and you know, we just working. But let me show you something else, y'all. Hold on. I got my doggone, there go your uppers and lowers right there. They rusted his crazy. But oh, also got those. Here go your old springs. It's 1 spring, 2 spring. But another part of the video I want to give you guys, since we here, you feel me, I want to go and just give y'all everything. Like I said, give y'all everything while I'm here. So with that being said, oh, wait, I forgot, I'm tripping. This is what y'all want to see. Hold on. Bam. That's it right there. Look at it. Ooh. Yes, sir. You see it? It's back together. Hold on now. I'm sure we're going to straighten you out. We're going to straighten you all the way out. Straighten them out. We got the whole thing. Rear end all the way. Boom. Boom. We got a new yoke. Got the 20-inch blinds in there. With the extended with the studs on there. You see that? The Moser axle. We good. We good. Yes, sir. It don't take long to do nothing. I swear to God, it didn't take nothing. It took them only one day to do that. So one day to have my rear end ready, I went and got it. If you follow me on YouTube, I mean not YouTube, if you follow me on IG, you seen I had it, the rear end and the back of my Challenger, man. Cause I don't care, man. I love my old school, boy. You hear me? I ain't tripping over no Challenger, man. But anyway, next, here we go. I'm gonna give y'all this. I'm giving y'all everything right now. I got a few parts coming in. Came in, so I'm gonna go ahead and give y'all those. Bam. Here we go. As you can see right here, I got some new shocks. I'm gonna go coil over eventually, but I wanted to just get this stuff done
put this in so I can ride. I kind of want to ride during the summer, and I don't want to deal with all that. So I'm gonna put these back in. Some K.Y.B. good K.Y.B. shots. You know what I'm saying? Them black guys, they good, they excel guys, you feel me? So those real shots, we're gonna put those in and be good. And we're gonna hit them with that. Wow. We got new springs, man. We ain't playing. We got new springs, you feel? New springs up through there. So we got new springs. We good. And for those uppers and lowers, about. You feel me? We got the only guy. I ain't took them all the way apart, but we got the only upper and lower. They red, so that's what we gonna do, guys. Only upper and lower. There we go. You see that? I ain't faking. Only. So we got the Umi, uppers and lowers, man. We got the new shocks. We got the new springs. We're gonna be all right. Really ain't new. I'm gonna paint it. It's gonna be looking good, boy, and we gonna be straight. So with that being said, man, I just wanted to give y'all an update. Like I always say, man, them shocks bagged up and you don't know where to start, you gotta do it yourself. It's your boy, Mr. G.D.I.Y. And we out. I'll catch y'all on the next one, man. All right, yeah.